What if I told you that a simple $100 investment in Bitcoin back in 2010 could have made you a multimillionaire today? Sounds crazy, right? Well, the numbers don't lie. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how much that $100 would be worth today. And trust me, the results will shock you. But more importantly, I'll reveal the key lessons that investors can learn from Bitcoin's rise and how you can still take advantage of opportunities in the crypto market before it's too late. So if you've ever wondered, did I miss my chance? Or can I still get rich with crypto? Stick around because this is a video you can't afford to miss. Let's dive in. What if I told you that a simple $100 investment in Bitcoin back in 2010 could have made you a multimillionaire today? Sounds crazy, right? Well, the numbers don't lie. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how much that $100 would be worth today. And trust me, the results will shock you. But more importantly, I'll reveal the key lessons that investors can learn from Bitcoin's rise and how you can still take advantage of opportunities in the crypto market before it's too late. So if you've ever wondered, did I miss my chance? Or can I still get rich with crypto? Stick around, because this is a video you can't afford to miss. Let's dive in. But real quick, before we jump into the numbers, if you enjoy straight-to-the-point crypto content without the hype, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications. I break down the crypto market in a way that's easy to understand and help you stay ahead of the game. Plus, it's 100% free, and if at any point you decide it's not for you, you can always unsubscribe later. No hard feelings. Alright, now let's talk about how much that $100 would be worth today. And trust me, you might want to sit down for this. Let's rewind the clock back to 2010. At that time, Bitcoin was practically unknown, a digital currency that only a handful of tech enthusiasts and cryptographers were talking about. There were no major exchanges, no institutions buying in, and definitely no billionaires tweeting about it. And here's the crazy part. Back in May of 2010, Bitcoin was trading for around 0.003 per coin. That means that with just $100, you could have bought approximately 33,333 Bitcoins. Now let that sink in for a moment. 33,000 Bitcoins, when today, even owning just one full Bitcoin is considered a big deal. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The real question is, how much would those 33,333 Bitcoins be worth today? Fast forward to today. As of the time of recording this video, Bitcoin is trading at around $50,000 per coin. Now let's do the math. If you had bought 33,333 Bitcoins back in 2010 for just $100, today, they would be worth approximately $1.67 billion. Yes, you heard that right. Over $1 billion from a single $100 investment. That's the kind of return that turns ordinary people into legends. But here's the thing. Most people never held their Bitcoin that long. In fact, some of the earliest investors sold their coins for just a few $100s, thinking they had already made a fortune. Imagine selling your Bitcoin at $1,000, thinking you had won the lottery, only to see it skyrocket to $50,000 years later. So the real lesson here isn't just about the profits, it's about the importance of patience and long-term vision in investing. Now let's talk about when people really started paying attention to Bitcoin. In 2013, Bitcoin had its first major boom, surging to $1,000 per coin. That means that if you had held on to your $100 investment for just 3 years, it would have been worth $33 million already. But as with every big rise, there was also a major crash. Bitcoin dropped over 80%, scaring away many investors. Sound familiar? That's exactly what happens in every bull and bear cycle in crypto. The difference is that smart investors saw these crashes as buying opportunities, while the majority panicked and sold too soon. Now, I know what you're thinking. I would have just held on to my Bitcoin no matter what. But let's be real. Most people wouldn't have survived the crashes. Bitcoin has had multiple drops of over 80%, shaking out weak hands every single time. It takes a strong mindset to hold through insane volatility. Even if you had sold half of your holdings at different points, you still would have made millions. But it's interesting to think about how hard it actually is to hold on to an investment when everyone around you is panicking. At this point, you might be asking, okay, but what about now? Did I miss my chance? Well, here's the reality. While we may never see Bitcoin at 0.003 again, the opportunities in crypto are far from over. The biggest mistake people make is thinking that just because something has already gone up, it can't go higher. But the truth is, Bitcoin is still in its early stages, and experts believe it could easily hit $100,000, $500,000, or even $1 million per coin in the future. And it's not just Bitcoin. There are new cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects emerging all the time, creating massive opportunities for investors who are willing to do their research and think long-term. Oh, what's the lesson here? Early investors who took a chance on Bitcoin and had patience were rewarded beyond belief. The market is volatile, but those who stay in the game long enough tend to win. The opportunities in crypto are still here, but only for those who are willing to educate themselves and take action. Now, I want to hear from you. If you had invested in Bitcoin back in 2010, do you think you would have held on until today? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you got any value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss my latest crypto updates. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate every single one of you for being here. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.